Hello, we are doing substitution and evaluation of expressions. This is review packet page 7. Please skip review packet page 6. In your packet there are some examples, and I'm going to do the examples here, where if x equals 3, then what is the value of the expression? And I'm also going to add, and what if x equals 2, because that is, those are some of the directions you're given later on the worksheet. Okay, so we know what x is. It's 3. We're going to do 3 first, and then we'll do 2. So we're going to have 2 separate answers for each expression. When you have a number and a variable right next to each other with no operation in between, that is automatically a what kind of problem? What operation is it? It's multiplication. Okay, so we're going to have 5, and I'm not going to write 53 here. I'm not going to just replace x with 3 and write 53. That's not true. I now have to write a multiplication sign, and I'm going to use parentheses. Okay, so what is 5 times 3? 15. There you go. So if x is 3, then 5x, 5 times x, is 15. What if x is 2? Okay, so this time, I should say if 3. Well, I already wrote that up there. Okay, so what if x is 2? So 5 times, what this time? 2. And 5 times 2 is 10. So there are 2 separate expressions or answers to the expression we have here, depending on what x could be. And x is a variable, so it could be any number. Okay, and so, but the book is telling us these are what x are, so solve for both. Okay, so now we have x, so we'll do 3 first. 3 plus 10 is 13. There we go. And what if x is 2 instead? If x is 2, then it's 2 plus 10 equals 12. Let's look at this one, 18 over x. So we're going to have 18 divided by, let's do 3 first. 3, how many groups of 3 are in 18? 6, because that's an improper fraction. And then we're also going to do x equals 2. So 18 divided by 2 is 9. Okay, we're getting 2 separate results because we have 2 separate values of x that we're solving for. Okay, now we have 3x. What is that? What operation is it? It's multiplication. So we can't just write 33 here because it's not 33. It's 3 times 3. So we're going to have to add a multiplication sign. I'm going to choose parentheses. Minus 5. Okay, this is going to require order of operations because we've got more than one operation here. We have multiplication and we have subtraction. So please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. Okay, and let's go ahead and circle the terms. 3 times 3 is 9. Minus 5 is 4. Okay, and we're also going to substitute x for 2. 3 times 2, make sure I get that sign in there, minus 5. Okay, I'm just going to circle the terms. It makes it so much easier. 3 times 2 is 6. Minus 5 is 1. Okay, and I think that is pretty much it. We do have x and y here too. Okay, we have time. Why don't I go ahead and do one of those examples. Okay, so for your problems, x equals -4 and y equals 3. Okay, let's go ahead and do number 7. X squared plus 4x minus 3. Okay, well, let's substitute those in first thing. So we'll rewrite the expression substituting -4 in for x and 3 in for y. Oh, I don't even have a y here. Okay, well, I'll do it anyway since I've written it down. Okay, so x squared, so negative 4 squared plus 4 times x, which is negative 4, minus 3. We're going to have to use order of operations. Please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. And let's circle the terms. The terms are the numbers between the addition and subtraction signs. Okay, negative 4 times negative 4. That's going to be, the signs are the same, so it's going to be positive. 4 times 4 is 16, and negative 4 times negative 4 is 16. Plus, now the signs are different, so this is going to be negative. So negative 16 minus 3. And we can just rewrite this. We could just say 16 minus 16 is 0. Minus 3 is negative 3. If these get to be too complicated for you, then you can skip some of the harder ones. But I offer you the challenge as well of challenging yourself on these. Okay, I can do one with a y. Why don't we do, I don't want to pick a super easy one. Let's do x plus 3 plus 2y, and that's number 9. X plus 3 plus 2y. Okay, x, negative 4, plus 3 plus 2 times y, which is 3. Okay, order of operations. Let's go ahead and circle the terms. We have negative 4 plus 3 plus 2 times 3 is 6. Negative 4 plus 3 is negative 1 plus 6 is 5. Okay, so that's how you do substitute and evaluation of expressions. Substitution and evaluation of expressions.